Hello everyone, happy Independence Day. Today we are not just celebrating a date on the calendar. We are celebrating the spirit of the 1.4 billion people, our freedom and the incredible journey of our nation. And I'm proud to be an Indian. On August 15th, 1947, India finally broke free from British rule. So, today we are celebrating our 80th Independence Day. But this freedom was not simply given to us. It was earned. It was fought for. It was built through the sacrifices of our heroes like Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmibai, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi, and countless unnamed freedom fighters who gave up everything for our future. But independence is not just about looking back at the history. It is also about looking forward. Now today, India is making incredible progress in technology, space exploration, and culture. Our leaders have a vision for our future, and our youth are carrying the torch forward. Every small step we take, studying hard, keeping our surroundings clean, helping people, and contributing to our society, help our nation grow. So let's take a pledge to be responsible citizens and make India proud. The great Indian scientist and former President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, once said, "You have to dream before your dream can come true." And I truly believe that the dreams of every Indian can contribute to the progress of our nation. So dream big, work hard, believe in yourself, and keep moving forward. So what is your biggest dream? Let me know in the comments. And once again, happy Independence Day and Jai Hind.